Today we are going to show you how to use WhatsApp in your computer or your laptop. If you want to be an expert, watch the video till the end. Let's begin the topic. Now you have to go to a web browser, then you have to write here WhatsApp web, then search here, then you will find a link like web.whatsapp.com. Let me click on this. As soon as I click on that link, you will get a QR code like this. Then I have to follow some steps here. Open your WhatsApp on your phone, tap menu, three dot or setting and select link device. So I am going to my mobile phone, then follow the steps like me. Here I am in my mobile phone and I am going to turn on my net connection, Wi-Fi or data connection. Then I am going to the WhatsApp app. Here I have a app named WhatsApp. Let me click on this. So here I have the WhatsApp app and let me click on here the three dot button, and here you will find the option. Let me click on the linked devices. Then let me click on the link a device. Then I have to scan the QR code on the computer. In PC you will see my WhatsApp is logged in. So here I can easily use my WhatsApp from my PC. I can send image, I can download anything very easily. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.